For VAP number 6, I'm doing problem number 20, and problem number 20 asks for a sketch of the parent graph based on the graph given. So the first step is to figure out what the parent graph would look like, and you do that using the tables for the derivative and the second derivative. Between -2 and -1, the values are negative, so the parent function will be going down at that point. Between -1 and 0, the values on the graph are positive, so the parent function will be going up at that point. At 0, it's a point of inflection, and then at between 0 and 1, the values are positive, so again the parent function will be going up. 2 is also a point of inflection. The point of inflections are maximums and minimums. And then between 2 and 3, the values are also negative, so the graph will be going down. And then between 3 and 4, the values are positive, so the graph will be going up. And then for the second derivative, that is based on slope. So between -2 and -1, the slope is positive, so it will concave up. The same thing between -2 and -1. At 0, it is a slope of 0, so it's point of inflection. Between 0 and 1, the slope is negative, so the graph will concave down. And the same thing between -1 and -2. And at -2, the slope is also 0 because it's the minimum, so it's also point of inflection. And then between 2 and 3, the graph has a positive slope, so it will concave up. And between 3 and 4, the graph has a positive slope, so it will concave up as well. Okay, so this is what the parent function sketch looks like. It is given that at f of 0 equals 2, so we know that when x is 0, y is 2, so we can plot that point. And then before that, based on your derivative and second derivative charts, the graph is concave up, and basically the area under the given graph is about 0.3, so it concaves up about 0.3 from -1 to 0, and then from -2 to -1, the area under the shaded area under that graph is about 1, so it concaves down. It concaves up about 1, and then it basically just follows the same pattern for the rest of the graph. So whatever the shaded area is between those 2 points are how much it concaves up or concaves down, and then you can follow the chart to figure out whether it needs to go up or down or concave up or concave down.